Happy Earth Day, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing an art project using shaving cream and a little bit of food coloring to make this symbol represent the earth and Earth Day. So before we get started, the things we will need, you will need a piece of aluminum foil. Okay, just from your mom's kitchen. Ask her if you can have a piece of this. All of our work today will be done, all of our drawing will be done on the aluminum foil using the shaving cream. The things you will need, and the materials, you need a piece of aluminum foil, you need some shaving cream, just a little bit. It doesn't have to, this one's halfway full, so that'll be enough. You'll need blue food coloring and green food coloring. You will also need paper towel or something, napkin, something. In a minute, it might get a little bit messy. You'll need a small knife or a popsicle stick or something to swirl the shaving cream around. And then the last thing you'll need is a piece of paper. This is actually a piece of poster board. Construction paper would work as well. Copy paper might be too thin, but tag board, construction paper, anything like that will work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our shaving cream. I think what I will do is I'm going to put my hand in the middle here and imagine how large the circle would be for my hand to fit in it, okay? That's going to be the diameter of the outside of the circle of the earth. So we're going to take our shaving cream and we're going to squirt it into a circle. Okay, the circle, and then fill it in. It doesn't have to be all the way filled in with shaving cream, because then you're going to take your hand and you're just going to kind of smooth it around. You want a nice fluffy foam still left on the top of it, but fill it around. And then you can wipe your hands on your paper towel after you get it filled in. So it is a nice shape of a circle and it's filled in with the foam part of the shaving cream. The next thing we're going to do is, now this is the part we will actually make it look like the globe or the earth, using the green for the continents and the land and the blue for the ocean. So we'll take your food color, and I'm starting with green, and I'm just going to put a few little dabs here and there. I did 4 of the green. And then I will take my blue, do the same thing, kind of, you don't want too much on there, but you just kind of want it to be spread out. Now you'll take either you can use a Q-tip, you can use a small knife, you could use a popsicle stick, and now we're going to take it and we're going to swirl them together. Okay, so this is the part where we want to make sure that the white is covered up, and we want to get much of the green and the blue. And if you need more at this point, this is where you can add a drop of food coloring if you see that you've still got a lot of white left, or you can do some more swirling and mixing. Okay, kind of like and we don't want it to mix all together, because we do want it to look like we have separate the continents. That would be green, would be in one area, and then the blue. So we want to spread it together, but we do want it to be, add a little bit more blue to that side, so that when all right, so when you get it nice and swirled around, like you're ready for, now what we're going to do, this is the part that we will take our paper. We're going to transfer the shaving cream print here and put it onto the paper. So you'll take your white paper and you'll place it on top of your shaving cream, and you'll push down. You don't have to push down too hard, but just, you'll feel it squishing. We don't want it to squish too hard, but you do want to pat it down. And then we will pick it up. Okay, when we pick it up, we're through with our aluminum foil. So let's fold our aluminum foil up and place it in the trash can. Now you're looking at it and you're like, well, it's in a circle shape, but we have a lot of foam and that kind of thing on it. Because now what we're going to do, take another paper towel and take a little piece of your paper, or a little, you can use a ruler to scrape it off or whatever. You're going to use a little piece of paper. I'm going to tear this one in half. And you're going to actually scrape off the shaving cream off of your paper, okay? So then your paper, now the shaving cream, if you look from the side, the shaving cream is all gone, and now we have this print. Okay, no worries if it's not in the perfect shape of a circle, because now we will take our scissors and we will cut in the shape of a circle. Okay, shape of a circle, you will cut that out. And then once, and I think I still have a little bit of shaving cream left on it, so I might need to a little bit more wiping on it, because it really should be pretty dry by now if we've wiped all that shaving cream off, okay? It makes a nice marble swirl. The last thing you need to do, and this is optional, I've seen some people who have written using Sharpie markers, Earth Day, home, or whatever you want to signify the earth. I cut out a heart out of this red paper. It can be red, it can be scrapbook paper, whatever, and glued it down in the middle to represent my earth. All right, boys and girls, hope you enjoyed it. Post your videos so I can see your pictures. See ya.